Hello! Let's have a look at a new useful tool for the SAWSConnector, the SAWSInstaller. Now, the SAWSConnector can be installed or updated with ease. On top of that, your exports can be validated to ensure that they deliver the exact same results as before. So let's get started. Head into the console and check out the SAWSInstaller module via Subversion. If you don't have the checkout URL at hand, you can find it in our wiki. The installer is now available on your system. Reset the plugin cache by logging in and out. Next up, update your data model. Now we can install any SAWSConnector we like. For instance, I am choosing the simple exit connector. Don't forget to set the rights for the SAWSConnector. To see the SAWS suite, let's add the new module tab. Activate your license. The SAWSConnector can now be used to its full extent. My name is Paul and thank you for watching.